In this video we are going to look into one of the jobs that I got for one of my customers. It's a built-in closet. No, it's not a built-in closet. It's a walk-in closet, mini walk-in closet. And if you're interested in that, feel free to follow along. I'm based in Copenhagen, Denmark, and one of the problems that the city has is too big of the prices for the accommodation. So the spaces that people are occupying are getting smaller and smaller. Maybe it's not as big problem as, for example, New York or cities like that, but it is slowly getting there. And this is also one of those cases. We designed this closet in mind that the apartment has just one room with a small hallway and bathroom. In that room, the owner of the apartment wants to keep her stuff clothes, but also have like a space where she can put on makeup and stuff like that. So it was designed in that on mind, and because we needed to pack it all in one very small space, we tried to also take advantage of all the space that is above the head. And that's why the closet is going from the bottom of the floor up to top of the ceiling. That has actually created problems on its own, because older buildings tend to have crooked ceilings and floors. So we were only able to build this whole closet in the only spot that you can actually see on the video, and then we were able to move it to that corner, and that was it. And I would also like to say big thanks to my friend Rafael, who stepped in and helped me out to build this closet. You can see that even a simple thing like attaching those doors onto this closet was pretty hard for one person, so I'm really thankful that he came in and helped me out. So one more time, thank you, Rafael. And here you can see me doing the final touches, putting up the handles on the drawers. And here I would like to also say that if you are gluing the mirror on the wall like this, you need to use a special glue that will not dissolve the mirror finish that is from the back, because then it will just be ugly by the time. So yeah, make sure that you will use the right glue. So this project took approximately 2 weeks to make all the parts of the closet, and then around 6 to 8 hours of building it and montaging it on the spot. We haven't had really any challenges with that, and I think the closet really turned out well. I could also see that the customer was really happy about it. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.